Hey guys, it's Budodude again, back here with another video on StashSage, my new app for Path of Exile 2, which is really helpful for generating very informative trade visualizations and pricing histories, as well as giving you the capability to predict an item's value as high, medium, or low, given some machine learning models that I trained on the prevailing offer data that's available through the trade website. So in this video, I just want to provide a really quick overview of how to install StashSage. I'll create another video, a supplemental, to review the Discord bot setup. But essentially, you just, to download and install, you go to my github.io page, rheincoa.github.io/StashSage. You just hit download installer. I've already downloaded it. It's about 655 megs, but you can easily delete it after you're done. I don't think this is like super large for installation file in today's internet world. And so what I'll do, just to kind of take you through it, is I'll extract the file. That's going to extract the installer. So I'll just extract it here. I'll extract it to downloads. You can see here that it's being extracted. Now, this only works on Windows, so the first thing we want to do is we want to scan this file with Microsoft Windows Defender. Sorry, my computer's a little old, so it's a little slow. But while that's going, hopefully it doesn't freeze on me. Yeah, so my computer's from 2017, so I actually played an Infernalist, an RS Minion Infernalist in Season 1, a standard, and I quickly found out that my computer was largely incapable of handling the graphics. So here we are. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to scan it with Microsoft Defender. Okay, so it's going to run a scan. And this is just so Windows doesn't get confused, because yes, this isn't an application, it's an installation, and it might flag it as harmful, but there's nothing harmful about it. It runs completely on your local machine. Okay, I'm going to assume this is done. There we go. And now I can just easily install it. So I'm just double click, run the installer. And the installation is very simple. All you really have to do is specify where your log files live and point to them, so that when the application runs, it can auto-load those files. So I'm going to allow it. You can install it to anywhere. C program files x86 sounds fine to me. What you'll have to do here in these two screens is just you're pointing StashSage to where your logs live. So by default, I expect that most users who play on Windows will have this same path through program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common Path of Exile 2, log, client.txt. If that's not the location of your client, you can click the browse button and re-point to it. And if you don't use Steam and you use GGG instead, then you don't have to worry about this, just click next. Same thing for the GGG game client. You will need to point to your GGG client logs. I expect that this default location will be pretty prevalent for most players, but if you need to, again, just click the browse button and find your client and point to it. And that's it. Create a desktop. Boom, done. Okay, so sorry about that delay for my crappy computer, but hopefully you can see how easy it is to install. And as I said before, you can quickly dispose of the zip and the installer after you're done. So thanks for watching. As I said, I will release a separate video down below for setting up your Discord bot, because that is one of the most valuable capabilities that StashSage provides you with as a PoE2 player. And I look forward to gaming with you. Thanks.